How to order from Shein for the first time. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, before ordering, make sure that you use one of the codes from Shein, and as Shein gives the bonus points and other different privileges for the new users, so it's better to avail these privileges. And since you are a new user, you get 15% extra off on different orders of $9.99 or above. So the code is new for 15. You can use this code, and also the shipping will be free of cost, and you can even return the product without any charges. So it's a huge benefit being a first time user on Shein. Now, how do you order? So first we will just get back, and over here we will just select any of the product that we want to purchase. Suppose we want to purchase this one, so we will just click over here and select the product. After selecting the product, we will just click on this option of add to cart, but before we need to select the size. So we will select the size, and after that we will just click on add to cart, and after that it will be added to your cart. Just open it up, but make sure that you also log into your account while ordering up, and here click on checkout. Now you need to log in, and here you can see that after you log into your account, you can select whether you want a standard shipping or express shipping. And here you can also select this option of on-time delivery guarantee, as it will not cost us any of the amount at all. And this way, if your order gets late, you will be receiving extra Shein points, and you can utilize these Shein points for your further orders. Now select any of the payment method that you want to use, and suppose you want to apply any gift card, then you can simply click on this option of apply voucher first, and make sure that you select any of the voucher which is available and click on continue. This way you will be able to save some money. Then click on continue to payment. Now it will ask you to pay the amount, and this way you would be able to place the order. And that's how you order on Shein. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.